Hey guys, welcome back to another pre-informed video. In today's video, we're talking about US Mobile and how it shifts its prepaid focus to the annual plans. Also gets 35 gigabytes for $23 a month. We'll go more into details on how you can get it for that price. So US Mobile is one of my primary providers. It's actually the one I'm actually using currently right now. That's why I like to talk about them. I use many providers. I've used Boost, I've used US Mobile, Visible, but this month it's US Mobile, and so far so good. I do like it. It runs off of Verizon's network and T-Mobile's network. You get to choose, or it usually chooses for you. I believe it goes off like the area and stuff, but mainly here in my area, I always get the Verizon SIM, which is the US Mobile SIM, and it works perfectly fine. I love it. It's good. Never had an issue. Like I said, let's get into it though with the new stuff that it announced. Sorry, you can tell I'm about to get sick, so bear with me. So as you can see, then you go monthly or annual, and we can actually go right here. This is the US Mobile's website. So as you can see, you do monthly, which is not bad at all. Now you will see the price did go up. I believe it was $25 a month. Now it's $29, but you do get some more stuff. They did get rid of the middle plan, which is the one I'm actually using. So yeah, it's either 29 or 50 gigabyte or $50 now. So it's $29 a month or 50. The current one I have is 40. I will get grandfather into it, but these are the new plans, and we'll go into more detail. So, grab some popcorn. It's gonna be maybe a long video, but let's get into it, guys. So, of course, this is brought to you by bestmvno.com. I was just gonna make a video just off of this, but they just offer you lots of good information and everything. So, of course, like I said, they are launching the annual plans, and here we go. A lot of carriers are doing this. Of course, this is popularized by Mint Mobile. So let's get into it, guys, and we'll see the details and everything. But right off the bat, let's just look at the plans, and I'm pretty sure it'll go more into detail. So it says limited for $29 the starter or the unlimited premium. So like I said, they got rid of the middle. There was a middle plan, and I can't remember the name of it, but I'm pretty sure in the article will go over it. So it says limited data, talk and text, 5G, millimeter wave, and C-band, which is nice. International calling worldwide. Premium data, on this one, you do get 35 gigs of premium data. Speeds may be reduced to 1 megabit per second after, which actually is pretty good, because I believe this was 20 on the old one. At least I'm pretty sure the article, I'm just going off of memory, but we'll get into the article. I believe it was maybe 20, and then the one that I have gives me 30 gigs of premium data, I believe, or something like that, or maybe it was 50. It was 50 gigs of premium data, the one I currently have. Like I said, it's not on here anymore, but for $29, guys, that's pretty cheap. You're getting 35 gigs, which is plenty. That's a plenty. I checked my data usage, and I think I'm only like at 20 gigs, if that, and the month's about to end already. So 35 is really good. Now, it's another thing, you do get 5 gigs or 10 gigabytes of hotspot data. Before, I think you would only get like 5. Yeah, the one I have only gave me 5. International data, you don't get a multi-line subscription perk. Now, if you go with the Big Daddy over here, the unlimited premium is $50 a month. Taxes and fees are included. That's another thing, guys. Unlimited data, talk and text, 5G, millimeter wave, and C-band, of course. International calling worldwide. Premium data, as you can see here, you do get the 100 gigabytes. So it's either 35 or 100 gigabytes of premium data, and then speeds may be reduced to 1 megabit per second after, which, like I said, the one I currently have, it's not available here, gives me 50. So 50 is plenty. You do get 50 gigs of hotspot data, so 50 is a lot, guys. That's a lot of hotspots. So this is the one I would probably get this one, to tell you the truth. But this is the one that, would be better. Or you can get as low as 40 a month for 3 lines. While I get my grandfather plan, I pay 40 off the bat without having 3 lines. So that's another thing they did. Like I said, they made this plan a little bit more expensive, but like I said, they do give you a little bit more stuff. So sorry, the camera acts up sometimes if I put my hand like that. So yeah, I gotta fix that. But you do get multi-line subscription perks, and of course, with that, you do get different perks. But we'll go over that stuff in just a little bit. So let's go back to the article, guys. and actually talked about it. It's going to be a little bit better organized. So it says US Mobile has updated its wireless plans to a third time since August 2023, or for the fourth time if you want to include the release of US Mobile Home Phone plan in October. The latest plan updates see US Mobile shift its focus towards prepaid discount annual plans. It is, and also I read like I said, because I do have US Mobile as one of my main providers. I did read the Reddit article and I kind of skimmed through it, but this just does a better job. So it says US Mobile has increased the price of its unlimited starter plan to $29 a month. All right, sorry, my son came in, but it says US Mobile has increased the price of its unlimited starter plan to $29 a month, or $23 a month for customers willing to shell out $276 in advance to prepay for 1 year's worth. So remember, they're doing kind of like the Costco, Sam's Club. The more you buy, the more you'll save, which, well, I don't know, with groceries, kind of pretty expensive now. But like I said, it is now $29 a month, so it didn't go up. Like I said before, I believe it was like $25. So it's not too bad. So it says this isn't just a straight up price increase on the monthly rate though. The company also increased the amount of high speed data included with the plan to 35 gigs up from 30. So, okay, so they are giving you an extra 5 gigs of data for like $4. So a little bit less than $1 a gig, which is not bad at all. Like I said, but it is, I mean, yeah, like I said, before it was $25, now it's 29. But you're still saving money. You are getting more data. I mean, that extra 5 gigs can make a difference. So the amount of data that can be used for hotspot also doubled to 10 gigabytes up from 5. So 5 gigabytes was the one you could use, what you would get before. Now you're getting 10. So I mean, now remember that 10 gigs does go through to your allotment. So it will use that up. It says, finally, the plan will also include 1 gigabyte of native international roaming to use on T-Mobile with 150 minutes and 150 text messages, and 1 gigabyte of international data on eSIM for Warp 5G. So pretty cool. So it says, US Mobile trialed annual plan pricing over in Black Friday, Cyber Monday holidays, and they did say that they did sell out. So it looks like a lot of people did want it. So it says, by offering its limited starter plan for $20.83 a month when prepaid for a whole year in advance. So they kind of had a big savings for their Black Friday Cyber weekend. If you prepaid for a whole year, you'd get a discount rate of only $20.83, which is pretty cheap for limited data on, especially on like Verizon and stuff. So it says on a Reddit post, the company's founder Ahmed Kaktak, I'm pretty horrible at names, but cited the success of its holiday offering as a reason for updating its plans today to make annual plan offering is a permanent part of their lineup, and consequently, the company has introduced several other annual plan offerings. So, there we go. That's what the plan was called. Unlimited Essential Plan. That's the one I have. We'll get into that. Like I said, I'll probably keep it because it's pretty good. So it says, the wireless provider is now highlighting prepaid annual plan pricing for its flagship unlimited premium plan. Customers can get it for $480 or $4 a month when they prepaid for it annually. Or you can just have 3 people on there, I don't know, $480 is a lot to shell out. Otherwise, the plan is still priced at $50 a month for a single line and $40 a month per line for customers with more than 3 lines. The plan comes with 100 gigabytes of premium 5G data before throttling to 1 megabits per second, and also allowing for up to 50 gigabytes of data to be used as a mobile hotspot, which is a lot. Customers with multiple lines will not receive additional discounts by prepaying for the annual plan annually. So the annual discounts only for one account. So if you have the multi-line, you will not get that discount. It's meant, just for a single line. So the company's light plan has also been updated to include 1 gigabit of data in unlimited talk and text up to 500 megabits per second, minutes and text. Annual plan pricing has also been introduced here. Customers can get it for $72. All right, guys, don't mind the background. Like I said, my son's in here playing, so yeah, don't mind him. But yeah, like I said, don't mind him. Says so, $72 a year or 6 months when prepaid. It says, or $6 a month when prepaid for annual. Without the annual plan, the monthly rate is $10 a month. It was previously priced at $5 line. So like I said, they did go up in prices with inflation and everything going up. I mean, but at least with them, they are giving you a little bit more data and a couple more features. So it's not too bad. So not too bad at all. So it says the kosher plan got a price increase to $10 a month, but adds international calling to Israel only when used on the T-Mobile network. The plan is still available for its previous price of $750. So overall, except prices did go up. So they're basically saying, hey guys, the prices did go up, but you are getting this. So they kind of just restructured everything. But like I said, here we go. It says bye unlimited essential plan. This is the one I currently have. And I think I will stick with it. So it says in addition to the new annual plan offering, US Mobile has removed one of its unlimited plans. The unlimited essential plan has been discontinued. The plan was priced at $40 a month or $30 a month per line with 3 or more lines. Like I said, that's the one I currently have. It includes 50 gigs of high-speed data before throttling to 1 megabit per second and allows for 10 gigabytes of data to be used for mobile hotspot. US Mobile says the current subscribers who are on the plan will be able to keep it. He also stated it on Reddit that the reason for this plan removal is that its other 2 unlimited plans have been way more popular. So basically they're saying that, you know, these two, it's either you want little data or you want a lot of data, but nothing in the middle. I don't know. I'll call that BS right there because I think this is a really good plan. That's the one I have. Alright guys, sorry for that. Just so many distractions to make this video, good lord. So it says this plan was priced at $40 a month or $30 a month per line with 3 or more lines. It includes 50 gigs of high-speed data, like I said. So basically they're just saying, you know, it was a good plan, but not a lot of people use it. There is more international roaming, which for me personally, I don't really care because I don't travel like out of the United States. But it says today's plan update also saw US Mobile expands its native international roaming countries to 180 up from 102 when using the US Mobile on the T-Mobile network. So of course you have to have the T-Mobile network to get more roaming in different countries. The Verizon one does not give you as many. Unlimited premium plan, customers will now get either 5 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes included per month for roaming depending on where you're traveling. You'll get 10 gigabytes to use in the 102 countries, not including today's update, and 5 gigabytes in the 78 other ones. So not too much. It says roaming is now also available as an add-on. Subscribers on a shared data or unlimited plan using US Mobile on the T-Mobile network can add 1 gigabyte plus 150 minutes text for 15 or 5 gigabytes, 500 minutes for 45. So not too bad. There's a couple more stuff here. Like I said, I don't really get too much into the international, but there is an AT&T coverage. So the founder stated on Reddit that US Mobile plans to add AT&T as a coverage partner in the first half of 2024. The company has been talking about adding AT&T as a coverage partner for months and recently said they plan to land an agreement to use AT&T network by the end of 2023. Me personally, I don't really care that much. Me personally, Verizon's the one to go with. At least here in my area. Now they might have different pricing for AT&T and different things, but in my area, T-Mobile and AT&T do not really work that well. It's okay, but can't compete with Big V, which is the Verizon. Free trial plan change is not part of today's update, but another recent and quiet change from US Mobile is that they lowered the amount of data included with a free trial offer. The free trial offer now only includes 30 gigs of high-speed data, down from 50. Wow. The trial time has also been decreased from 50 days to 30 days. So, shame on them. Basically, it's just some things here. Personally, just some thoughts from the editor. 35 gigs of speed for $29. I think it's good. God, like I said, so many distractions. Good lord. But it says on the Verizon side, Mobile X offers 30 gigs of high-speed data for $24.88 plus tax and fees, while Visible by Verizon offers truly unlimited data for $25 a month. However, Visible's data speeds are prioritized below other customers during times of congestion. So, like I said, I would honestly probably say stick with US Mobile. They do give you priority data, and that's a big thing. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, try to make this video. As you can see, got a lot of distractions. Kid's a little sick, and lots to go through. But thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Thank you.